So this is the power of Krishna's flute. So particular kind of drawn out melody of the flute. That's why it says pada ayata. The word ayata says ayata. Pada means like poetry. Poetry is coming from his flute. Kalapada ayata venogita. Ayata venogita. So ayata venogita is describing the quality and the type of the Gita, the type of flute song that Krishna is vibrating, ayata. So different acharyas explain what that means. Jiva Goswami says the verse means kala padayata murchitena. Murchitena samhoitarya means Krishna plays in a particular way, a particular tune to completely bewilder the gopis. Because even when Krishna was perfecting and practicing his flute playing to become a Sangeet virtuoso, or what do you call it? Sangeet Visharad, on the flute, and he was practicing, then he said, all right, I want to call Radharani. Because I've never met her, I'm going to try to see it, because I don't know where she is, I don't know what she's doing, but I'm going to call her to this well, to this mitai kua, this Sweetwater well. I'm going to call her here. Let me try. So Krishna played his flute, so attractive, so sweet. He put his whole heart into it. Like some people say, the teacher will say, oh, when you're dancing, put your heart into it. You're just dancing mechanically. There's no bhav, there's no feeling. You have to mix your heart in. It's not just this step and this mudra and that mudra, and this glance and that glance. It has to be backed by feeling, heart. You have to immerse your personality into the character you're playing. Otherwise, you won't actually be successful in your performance. So Krishna tried his best to call Radharani. What happened? Hundreds of gopis ran to the water well, but not Radharani. So he had to keep practicing. The gopis say, Vishnu says, thus, Shamsundar, because all women are bewildered by the sweet tones of your flute, a woman herself is not at fault, but rather the flute song which you have made is the blame. Not only does the woman deviate from proper Aryan behavior, Arya Charitan, the Chale, and her own prescribed duty of faithfulness to her husband, but she becomes deviant in all respects. Thus, you are the cause of us and all women abandoning religious principles. Don't blame us. The blame is you. It's your fault, not mine. This is a very standard dialogue between lovers and beloveds, husbands and wives, and it goes on eternally, even with Krishna and the gopis. The husband says, it's your fault, and the wife says, no, it's your fault. The husband blames the wife blames the husband. So it goes on there also. Not only do you have the bad quality of destroying our dharma, but your beautiful form enchants all the people in both the spiritual and material worlds and destroys their dharma as well. This is no one's fault except yours. The natural lust of women cannot be said to be the cause of their bewilderment, because all the moving and non-moving entities are also bewitched by your form and flute song. What more can we say about this, Sham? Even the most expert knowers of the truth are astonished by your fabulous flute song and gorgeous divine form.